It seems the premium flooded battery market is growing a bit crowded these days. Literally flooded with new competitors with fancy labels like advanced and robust. But the truth is, all premium flooded batteries are not created equal. In recent studies, our Stryten Energy Enhanced Flooded Battery, or EFB, outperformed other premium flooded batteries on a number of key attributes, including delivering greater cycle life, which is critical for powering cars with start-stop technology and advanced safety and entertainment features. In head-to-head comparisons, our Stryten EFB delivered more than 2 times the cycle life of other premium flooded batteries, as well as providing exceptional performance in high heat environments, such as stop-and-go driving. Our EFB is also working to help save the planet. 95% of Stryten's EFB materials come from recycled sources, and our superior power for start-stop technology is helping lower emissions. Today's real-world stop-and-go driving requires a battery that's up to the test. Don't be fooled by pretenders. While other premium flooded technologies may offer a small step forward, our Stryten EFB delivers a giant leap. A battery designed from the ground up to tackle the demands of today's modern vehicles.